What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and in today's video we have something that we're going to be doing to the Z. We're going to be dropping it off. I won't say, you guys will not figure it out unless follow me on my Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe and like button. It helps me post more videos, see what you guys like the most, see what you guys don't like, if you dislike, and leave some comments in the comment section so I can see all of your questions and concerns. In today's video, like I said before, we're going to be dropping off the car, and it's going to be getting some good stuff done to it. So I guess this is going to be a drop off, and you won't see the reveal until after it's finished. So let's go ahead and get today started. It's not a very long video, and I hope you guys enjoy. In the comment section below, can you guys tell me or guess what exactly this box held, or what's in the box, or was in the box? Leave a comment down below.
Alright guys, on the way there, let me roll my windows up as usual so y'all can hear what I'm actually saying. It's not too far from my place, about 10 minutes. Once you get there, you kind of get more of a gist of what we're doing, but I won't say in detail what's gonna happen. So yeah, you guys just enjoyed this little short clip of me driving. Alright, car gone. Right now we're at Sally's shop. Hey, first time we want this. We're about to leave little tag right here in the video. It's gonna be painting a couple of things, making the car look beautiful again. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Alright, back home now. So I was gonna be fixing up a couple things on the car, like I said earlier. Sorry, I gotta face the sun, but he's gonna fix a couple things on the car. We're gonna get the car back on Friday, so you guys will get a nice little reveal Friday. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. So right now, I'm just gonna be driving my nice little daily, which I love so much because I would not be able to get to work today without her. So happy that I have her, and I guess I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy end, come and